Welder. What are the tasks and duties of a welder? Fabricate and assemble metal structures and equipment through the use of welders, cutters, shapers and measuring tools. Produce metal products according to customer or employer specifications. Use multiple welding machines to repair and maintain metal equipment and structures of various sizes. Read and interpret diagrams, sketches and blueprints to determine operations, required materials and timeframes for projects. Set up, operate and maintain welding equipment. Understand and implement personal and company safety measures by wearing specialized goggles, helmets and gloves. What skills and abilities are required to become a welder? Good at working with your hands. Must be very mechanically minded. Must be able to take exact measurements and work accurately. Must have the ability to remain very detail-focused at all times. Must work methodically and excel in problem-solving situations. Must be able to perform many different tasks on the job site, i.e. multitask. What are the working conditions of a welder? Welders frequently are exposed to potential hazards. They use protective clothing, safety shoes, goggles, helmets with protective lenses, and other devices to prevent burns and eye injuries and to protect them from falling objects. Some welders are isolated for short intervals while they work in booths constructed to contain sparks and glare. Welders often work in a variety of awkward positions, having to make welds while bending, stooping, or working overhead. In some settings, however, working conditions vary and few hazards or discomforts are encountered. What are the minimum entry requirements to study welding at a TVET college? At a TVET college, the normal entrance requirements for the welding course are NC.V. program, a grade 9 certificate plus college requirements set per program. NATED program, N1 admission grade 9 certificate plus college requirements set per program. N4 admission grade 12 with a pass in mathematics plus college requirements set per program OR and NC.V. Level 4 certificate in engineering and related design. Watch more career guidance videos with Skills Passport.